I wanted to show off folks that they could actually see other people's calendars if you were so inclined. I've been finding this useful if I need to try to catch somebody, or if I'm not sure if they are in a meeting or what the case might be. You can view most folks through the UA system by having an embed source that points to their username. And so what that looks like when you have something like that is like this guy. If you put in somebody's username, like such, it will populate and show what their calendar looks like. That can work for anybody throughout the university environment, coworkers, if you knew somebody was up in, say for instance at UAF, you can put in their username. That's pretty handy. Nice to be able to see where you can potentially catch up with somebody at. You can do that one step faster by building essentially a JavaScript link, and you would click on that link, then the bookmark, type in the username that you wanted, and it would automatically build the URL and have you visit it. So if you were so inclined, let's see, copy that. And then over here, this, oops, hard to see because how it breaks out, but essentially this is the URL that goes into that address bar. So I thought that was of interest. If anybody would like some help with that, let me know.